Hi Reno fam, welcome back. So this is Aluta Continuum. Remember I told you guys that the roof was going to be removed. So in this week people got excited, so they did remove the roof. So as you can see, there is no more roof. That actually was something that we didn't plan for before the project started, but as we went along, people realized that for us to break certain places, we have to change the roof. And besides, we did not like the old corrugated iron roof. We wanted something new, so we wanted to put on tiles, so we had to remove everything. At the moment, you'll see not all the rooms have been removed, but as we speak right now, everything has been removed. Looking at the balcony, trust me, it's still going to be very full. Everything is being built where it's supposed to be built, and as you can see, you guys, even the bedroom, the walls are standing like the previous recording that I did. And when we go into the bathroom, you'll see there's two windows. That's going to change because as we go along, we realize that there are certain ways that we want things to be, so it will be closed up and there'll only be one window because we need two vanities there. So this portion of the house is what I call the west wing, or the second wing of the house, which comprises of the dining room, the lounge, the TV room, the extra room, guest room, my office, and also the guest bathroom. So you see the ceiling here will be removed. I was hoping that they were going to remove it properly so I can sell the timber, but I know they just broke everything down, so I lost a lot on that. Well, since now we don't have a roof, we had to go buy the Lota roof. Guys, roofing is freaking expensive, especially if you didn't even budget for it. It took, you know what, it's a lot. You will see at the end of the project how much we've spent, and we spent a lot because of the roof. A lot of things needed to be bought, so we had to, unfortunately. Please remember to follow for more so you don't miss out.